Today we're working on the FJ45 project, finishing up the majority of the mock-up before it gets totally torn down for finish coating and paint. Now I want to weld out my rear suspension links so I can finish flexing out the suspension, and to do that I'm using a tool that I have always wanted here in the shop, and I'm so glad that now I have one. This is the Woodward Fab through-hole welding positioner. Now, for those of you that don't spend a lot of time in the welding world, you're probably wondering, what is a welding positioner? Well, essentially what this is it is a large 8-inch 3-jaw chuck with a 2.5-inch hole that goes all the way through it. What it allows you to do is, if you're working with round pipe or tubing that's under 2.5 inches, you can put any length you want all the way through this machine. And then instead of, when you're welding, trying to work your way around, you can use the foot control to turn it, or you can just set it to a set speed and it will automatically roll the pipe or tube around. If you got a weird shaped item, you can just put it in the 8-inch jaw, just lock it into place, and it'll basically continue to move it while you weld. It just makes your life a lot easier. Using the panel on the side, you can adjust the speed that it turns up to 8 RPM, or revolutions per minute, depending on how fast you weld. And you can also change it from the automatic to the foot pedal, or even the direction in which it turns. Having one of these in a shop is so nice if you weld a lot of link bars or turbo piping or even exhaust. It just makes life a lot easier, and it's adjustable from 0 degrees or flat like this. Can tip all the way up to 90 degrees or straight up in the air, or 30 degrees and 60 degrees in between. I'm gonna weld that now.